As some states witnessed the most devastating impact of flooding in recent times, the Nigerian government says residents of Anambra, Bayelsa, Delta, Cross River and Rivers State are still at risk of adverse flooding till November this year. Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Hajiya Sadiya Farouq, who disclosed this at a news conference in Abuja, called on the relevant authorities in the risk-prone state to, as matter of urgency, evacuate people living on floodplains to high grounds. The minister, while reeling out statistics of some of the damage caused by the flood, also urged them to provide tents and relief materials, fresh water, as well as medical supply in case of possible outbreak of waterborne diseases.
Despite all our efforts of averting the consequence of the 2022 flooding season, unfortunately, we have recorded the loss of over 500 lives, partial or total damage of more than 90,000 houses, damage of more than 140,000 hectares of farmland. So many roads and other critical infrastructures were also affected. Number of injuries, 2,407. Number of deaths, 603. Number of houses that are partially damaged, 121,318. Number of houses that are totally damaged, 82,053. Farmlands that are partially damaged in hectares are 108 hectares, 108,000 hectares, 392. Farmlands that are totally damaged in hectares are 332,327 in hectares. This is the statistics.
The Director General, National Emergency Management Agency, Mustapha Habib, said food and non-food items have been made available by the federal government to affected states to mitigate all forms of disaster.
Relief has gone to every state of the Federation. We thank the President and Commander-in-Chief, President Muhammadu Buhari. We thank the Honorable Minister, and will continue doing our best to provide for the country.
There's also need for relief operations at the same time. Like said by the Honorable Minister, relief items as directed by the Presidency have been taken to virtually all the states of the Federation, including grains that have been released from the silos, National Strategic Reserve. And as we speak, it's not just Anambra, but also all the states of the Federation.
The government also noted that the National Flood Emergency Preparedness and Response Plan will soon be implemented for better coordination of flood response protocol in the country. Justin Asonde, CNN News.